Hey there. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to shorten your links and create geolinks through the Foundy platform. This is our customer service account. And right up here at the top of the dashboard, you'll see this long bar. We already have it set to short link. So we are just going to paste in our link here and hit shorten over on the right hand side. And we'll give this a second to load. And there you see it's been shortened successfully. So from here, we're going to exit that out and we're going to hit geo links. So you can offer a different experience or redirect based on your geolocation. We're going to add in that same short link here and then add a country. For this example, we will do Canada and select finish. It is worth noting that if you have a custom domain, you can also switch out the primary domain here on this left hand side before you actually do shorten those links or create those geolinks.